Click on subscribe button in red and below. Today we will be making calla lilies. Do you know what does calla lily mean? Calla in Greek means beautiful. So calla lilies are symbol of purity. So let's make them. To make it, we will be needing 3 colors, a brush and a pencil. So first we will be making a tea. Do you know how to make a tea? We will be making a tea using a scale. Just make a little bit more than 5 line, and it should not be a straight line, it should be a little slant line, and then draw a 5.5 centimeter long line. Is my tea ready? Yes. Now from one end draw a C, a big C. And now from the other end make a very small V. All now you have to do is to join both the ends of C to V and V to C. Once you have done that, now you have to draw a small U like structure, but a wider kind of a U, and then a S. Just now you have to, leaving a space, match the U from the top. Draw the stem of the flower and then rub the P of the flower that we have created. Our flower is ready. So that's how I am going to make multiple calla lilies in the painting that we are making today. So I'm making it freehand because I know how to make it. You can use the tutorial that I have already given just now to make those lilies. Make it at random places because this is a bouquet of flowers. So our flower can go from anywhere to anywhere. If you don't want to use a scale and all of that, you can see how I am making it. Make the flowers a little bit, some slant, some vertical, and now join it towards the end. Now take a pinch of green on the tip of the brush. See how I have taken just the pinch of it, nowhere else. You don't need to dip your brush in the color, and on the starting point just do it and use the brush to move it towards the end. Do not take it like a lot of color. Before dipping your brush into the color, just dip your brush in the water and make the tip to be very sharp like I have done. So if you will do it from starting towards end, then how it happens? It gives you a feel of like somewhere the dark, somewhere light the stem is. I am using watercolor of camel just for your information. See how the pattern is coming and it feels like they are the real stems, because towards whenever the flower starts they are dark in color and then they are light, because that's how water flows. Now we will be using again from the tip of it a lot of green, and then just the water will leave the color of it. So make it towards the only the end of the flower. One end to be a little more and second end to be less. You don't need to take the green color every time as well. Sometimes you can just dip your brush in the water, but make sure your brush is not too wet as well as not dry. Now shade it with just only using water. Now I am adding the white color to it, and then we will be doing the yellow color. So I have painted with white color all over it. You cannot see it, but still it is there. Then just how we did it the green color, I will be doing the yellow color, but only on the edges of the flower. See how I am doing the yellow color? Only at the edge and then in the lower part. Make sure you are not taking very dark color. You have to take the yellow color and just blend it with water. That is a watercolor technique which will give your flower the feel of it's like a real flower. Just do it on the edges and then mix it with water. See how this is like very light color it is. Again we will be doing it. So remember to use more water and less of a color. Do it on the edge, only on the edge, and then use water. You can do different shades as none of the flower are exactly same. So somewhere it can be a little bit darker. This is just remember the background of our flower. Now I have completed the background of the flower. Next we will be doing the outlining. Use now thick yellow color on the tip of your, do it on one side and then like you did only on the edge of the upper flower, do it again, and this time do not, listen, do not mix it in the middle of it. You just have to draw the outline like I am doing. This time less water and more of the color, thick yellow color. Do it on all the flowers. And as you can see, our Calla lilies are some already final and they are looking so pretty and beautiful as their name is. You can do a little bit of shading or you can just leave them as it is. Just draw dark yellow outline. By the time I am doing it in all the Calla lilies and making all them the real ones, just click on the subscribe button given in below and click on like if you like my video, and do comment how do you find the video. If you have any question related this video or any of my video, I would be happy to help. And our calla lilies are ready, and so is our painting. It's looking amazing. I hope you like it. Bye bye.